We've had a little robot for over a year now, and it's been a lifesaver. Over time, though, the cost of the waste bags can really pile up, especially if you have multiple cats. On YouTube, I saw some little robot owners using plastic trays to save plastic bags. So I did try the plastic tray approach. It's not a bad idea, but it piles up really quickly because the height of the plastic tray is limited due to the corrugated design of the waste drawer's bottom. So I thought there has to be a better way to do this at lower cost and produce less waste. So I'm thinking, why not reuse the plastic shopping bags that we collect anyways when we do grocery shopping? Here's how I do it. First, use scissors to cut open the bottom of the shopping bags, and then you cut open one side of the shopping bags and the handles as well. Repeat and rinse on as many shopping bags as you have collected. So you get the idea. And now you will have many plastic bags with the bottom and the one side cut open. Now, here comes the secret sauce, the electric heat sealer. This old machine was passed down to me from a very good friend. You can buy one of these electric heat sealers on Amazon for about $20 to $30 on the low end. With the electric heat sealer, you can now combine every two pieces of the plastic shopping bags that we have cut open, combine them into one. And there you have it. By the way, you can also combine two Amazon bags into one to make a little robot waste liner. Let me know what you think and any other methods that you have used to save the planet with your little robot. Thank you for watching.